A man's dash cam records an aggressive driver trying to weave their way through traffic, but the driver is boxed in by the truck and car in front of them.
Let's go!
Okay, time for road rage. Almost crashed into the wall. As a dangerous driver tailgates, the pickup truck applies its brakes. Driver makes a dangerous move to pass using the far right lane, but they misjudge. Protect yourself with DashCam. You never know what is going to happen next. Get your DashCam today. This car driver has one of the lucky day of his life on that moment. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more.